Hey everyone, good morning. It's Marissa and I'm back with another video. Today, very quickly, I wanted to show you a little project that I did. Those who follow me on Instagram, I had posted this paper pad and my goal was to use up this whole paper pad using or doing some projects with it. So I am on that mission. This paper pad is called Sugarplums, and this is from Michael's. And I purchased it when it was, I believe it was when they had their lowest price of the season. So I think this was like, I want to say $4 or $5. I did buy two, just in case I do use this whole paper pad, then I have an extra one, just so I can have it on hand if I wanted to use it again someday. So yeah, this paper pad, I believe, was like $4 or $5. So I couldn't pass it up, so I bought two. But my goal, you guys, you know, whenever we get paper pads, we use maybe like a few sheets and then we put it away and forget about it until next year, especially the Christmas ones. So I made a few things, but today I'm going to show you one of the things that I made along with the items that I used to make it. So I purchased this. This is new, and I purchased this from Hobby Lobby when it was 40% off. And this die is normally $19.99. It's a Thinlit Sizzix die, and it's a poinsettia, as you can see here. And it's a good size because like that's my hand, and that's how big it is. I mean, you would think it's smaller on the pic when you make it, but the picture it's pretty much how big it is. So I used, let's see, let me show you. Let me just show you. It comes with the leaves, and then it comes with 3 pieces of the poinsettia for layering. And I actually used just the 2 biggest sizes. I didn't use the small one. I used these 2 sizes. Okay, so I used that, and then I used a combination of another flower. And it's an old flower that I purchased from, I want to say, AliExpress. Yeah, definitely it's from AliExpress. And I believe the dye, because I purchased so many flower dyes from AliExpress that I don't know what store I got it from. But I think it is from Alina Crafts. I'm not sure. I got it like a while ago, like in the last couple years. So I'll show you that, just in case you guys are interested. So this is the die here, and correct me if I'm wrong if you guys seen this at Alina Craft or another store. So it comes with these dies, and then it comes with the leaves and like the little center part. And I think that's the only dies that are in this set. So yeah, this one's purchased from AliExpress. So I used that. And then I also used some of those, you know, those glitter filler balls from, I guess they sell them at Dollar Tree and at Hobby Lobby. But the ones that I used in this video is different ones that I got from the recent Christmas section that they have. Not last year, but this year. And they had so many cute colors. Oh my gosh, let me see if I can find it real quick. Okay, I don't know where I put it because I cleaned up my craft room a little bit, and I don't know where it's at the moment. I thought I had it here on my desk, but it's not here. But yeah, so they have some really cool colors. Oh, there it goes. Sorry for the sound, but they have this like rose gold color, and I used this color here. So I used that, and then I also used, so I might as well just do a haul video and show you what I got. I got this a couple weeks ago. So they have the rose gold colors at Hobby Lobby, and then they have this, I haven't opened it up yet, but these were 50% off, and these look so cute. They have like the chunky glitter on it, and then it looks really holographic. And then the silver ones, you guys, are gorgeous. Look at how gorgeous that is. Super, super pretty. So I use the rose gold one, and then I use the ones from, I found this at the Dollar Tree. This is the newer color that they have at my Dollar Tree, because they do have like a bronzy color with a red bag, and then there's a green and a gold or something. But these are so pretty. They're like, look at how pretty that is. So I use these, and that's just in case you guys are interested. These are from Hobby Lobby. So yeah, I use some of these glitter balls here. They're like a bowl and vase filler. And then I also, of course, to fancy up my flowers, I use my favorite Glitterific, which I have to get some more because I'm running low on it. So let me just put this stuff to the side and show you what I used in making those paper pads. Look at how gorgeous. So what I did was I layered, like I said, the two sizes from the Sizzix die here, and then the smaller sizes of the top of the layer of the flower is the AliExpress. And then the petals, I just put them all over with the Glitterific. So we have that one. And I love the size of them. Super pretty. And it looks so pretty with the paper stack. So there's that one, using the little white ball, and then there's this one. Look at how gorgeous. So I made a few of them. Let me just zoom in real quick so you can see the details. This one I forgot to put Glitterific on. See, that's what it looks like without the Glitterific, and then when you add the Glitterific, you can tell the difference. See, look at how pretty that is. And then here's what it looks like without the poinsettias layered with them. Super easy. I cut them out on my die cut machine, and then just layered them. So if you're looking for a quick project, this is super easy. So yeah, that is my quick project share that I wanted to show you guys, that I did using the Sugarplums Hot by Paper from Michaels. So look at how gorgeous. It just looks so gorgeous. Just even laying there looks so yummy. So let me just zoom back in before I get you guys cross-eyed. So yeah, those are all the flowers I made. And these I just left plain. I didn't add them to any poinsettias. Look at how gorgeous. So yeah, that is my little project share. I have a few more projects that I did using the sugar plum paper, so make sure you stay tuned to see what I made with them, and I will be back with another video shortly. I wanted to just show you a little haul that I did, but so stay tuned to my next video. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye for now.